All right, let's take a look at the world famous, world renowned later case. What's up, gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the most infamous case of all time, the later case. This is the impossibly thin phone case designed in Canada, made with official Kevlar for the Pixel 7 Pro Cyber Edition. So without further ado, like always, very nice premium packaging. You get an image of the Pixel, the iPhone, every phone they make this case for on the front. On the back, ultra thin, 0.6 millimeters, featherweight, 10 grams, superior texture, and stronger than steel by 5 times. How many times? 5. Let me hear it one more time. 5 times. It don't get better than that. And the logo of the later case there in the bottom. So without further ado, let's go ahead and reveal this beautiful case to you. Bam! At Lettercase, Twitter, and Instagram. Make sure you go follow them at all their socials. Let's take a look at this ultra thin Kevlar case. Right off the back, the Kevlar design, the texture of it feels good, looks very good, very thin. This case is for you guys who absolutely don't like to rock any cases whatsoever, but want a little bit of protection, not too much, just a little bit. So without further ado, let's grab the Pixel 7 Pro and place this bad boy in here, and voila, look at that. Bam! Absolutely looks fantastic. Adds absolutely no bulk to your Pixel 7 Pro. You gotta have big balls if you're gonna rock this case, to be honest. Me personally, I don't think this case is for me. I like a little bit more protection, but those who do not like to rock any cases but want something that looks good and feels good in hand and gives you a little bit of protection, not too much, this case is absolutely for you. Look at that. Bam! At least it protects that camera bar in the back. You can still tell it's a Pixel device by the way the camera bar is outlined there. Bam! The bottom is nice and exposed. The top is nice and exposed. The buttons are nice and exposed, and nothing on the left side of the device. And obviously this thing is so thin that is absolutely gonna wirelessly charge with no issues whatsoever. Bam! Look at that. It absolutely looks and feels amazing. Grippiness, it's there. You do have a little bit of grip just because of the sharp edges here on the edge of the device. Tempered glass, screen protector friendly. I have the officially made for Google Pixel 7 Pro Whitestone Dome screen protector on, and absolutely works fantastic with it. Bam! Look at that. Wow. And there you have it. There you have it, the later case Cyber Edition for the Pixel 7 Pro. Let me know what you guys think about this case. Do you absolutely like this style of cases? Super ultra thin, almost feels like you have no case. What do you get from it? Are you looking for protection or just a stylistic factor when it comes to protecting your smartphone? Link to this product will be in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is a gentleman agreement. If you've seen one or two of my videos before, it's on honor system. All I ask for you is to hit the subscribe and hit the like. It doesn't cost you anything. My content is free, but it is going to help me out a lot by you subscribing and liking my video. The algorithm's going to push my videos out to more people so they can absolutely enjoy the same content you're watching right now for free. Thank you. It's an honor system. That's all I ask for you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.